Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Kent, and we're looking at his 35 Buick Custom. This thing is so cool. It's got a 355, recently built, a lot of goodies inside and out, still being broken. The owner just can't drive anymore, and so he's gonna have to send this one down the road. It's got those US mags, they're real sweet. It's got the skulls, Flowmasters, hell's a poppin'. Find another one of these. It's got that top that opens up. This thing is sweet. Manual transmission, 355 engine. I'll do another video with it running. It sounds great. Got LEDs, got the skulls. Let's take a peek inside. See a little, see that? Got a chip in the paint. He said he's got some extra paint. Got to open both of them at the same time. Open both. I think he said it's got Mustang seats. Manual transmission. It's got a friend to go cruising in the back. It's pretty comfortable. Got some gauges. Everything works. It's got power windows. I think he said the driver is working and the rest are not. He tried to figure it out and put new motors in, and he just couldn't get the right parts. So a couple minor needs, but this thing's a real head turner. This thing's a real head turner. But mechanically, it is well sorted. All the work was done under the current owner. He's back there hanging out with Pops today. And wait till you see the running video. It sounds like a beast. So if you like these 35 Buicks like I do, you like custom rigs, you're not scared of the skulls, you should give me a call. My name is Michael Platt. I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. 707-599-9448. PlattMotors.com. Please check out my website. I'll have a bunch of still pictures there. PlattMotors@gmail.com is my email. I text. No problem, but I love to talk. So the owner can't drive anymore, and so he's ready to send this custom creation down the road. So give me a call and let's talk Buick. Check out my website, Michael Platt, Platt Motors. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.